You thirsty, Belle? She's getting ready to shed. She's getting big is what she is. Belle's getting ready to shed. Huh. We're getting a drink. We're getting a drink, pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah, somebody's getting ready to shed. You look a little wrinkly there, girlfriend. She's growing really great. Look at you, you're beautiful. Yeah, you are. Look at your wrinkles. You got wrinkles like me. She's not dry. She's just getting ready to shed, so she's got that wrinkle look to her. You can see the sheds loose on her back a little bit. Look at you. Look at you. After she sheds, I'll feed her. Sorry about that. Hi, Belle. Say, uh-oh, she turned the video off. She loves watching my computer monitor. You're a mess. Look at all that loose skin on you. Yeah. I think Belle's going to have to get herself a soak tomorrow. Little bit. What I do is I take a plastic tote with a few air holes in it. Not a lot, just 2 or 3. And I lay down paper towels in it, 2 or 3 layers, and I mist them with warm water. I have an issue with putting my snakes on something cold after they're used to being in a warm enclosure. Oh my goodness, Belle. But yeah, I just put them in there and put the top on, let them roam around in and out of the paper towels that are dampened with warm water. And it really helps them get their shed off that way. I'm not one to throw them in a bathtub or a sink, because if your snake's got a respiratory problem and you're not aware of it, you're promoting that infection to get a lot worse by putting it in water. So I'm just not one that'll put my snakes in water. But for years, I've always done the empty plastic tote with paper towels and mist them with warm water. It's more comfortable for the snake that way. A lot less stress-free. A lot less stressful. Excuse me. Sorry about that. As you can tell, I got a head cold again. Our temp goes up to 50-something here, drops back down to 10. It's crazy. She's getting really big. She's going to be a big girl. Hi, Belle. Somebody's going to shed pretty soon. I bet you shed in the next couple of days, huh? Look at you. She's getting really big really quick. This is a 20-gallon. This is only a 15-watt halogen night heat bulb. So it's not dry in there. She goes in the water a lot and plays in it. So she's just having a dry shed. But she'll get it off. She always does. She doesn't normally have a dry shed. She's just been hanging out up there on the light, under the light on that brick, watching the computer monitor and the television. That's her favorite place to be. So she's always right up there on that brick, on top of it, in the corner. She's not right under the light, but she's close to it. And it's not that hot. It's only 15-watt halogen heat bulb, so it's not really hot on her in there. I think you're so pretty. Oh, we're rubbing. We're rubbing tonight. Looks like you might shed for me before morning, huh? You gonna shed for me tonight? That's why you look so funky. You got wrinkles and everything, because you're gonna shed tonight. Huh. She's beautiful. She's growing really fast. So is Jasmine. Jasmine's almost 2 feet long now. I gotta do an update on her. She's still got attitude, but she's a lot better than she was. Yeah, Belle's gonna be shedding tonight or tomorrow. She's such a pretty girl. Yeah, you are. Beautiful girl. Belle's a clown. Ball python. Their colors are so unique. She's sitting there waiting for me to make some noise on the monitor again. What's wrong? No noise? Say, lady, shut up and turn that monitor back on. I was watching YouTube. You can see it up here. I was watching Chris Graham's video. He had out a fire clown that made me look over at Belle, and she was sitting over here watching the video too. So that's what she's doing now. She's watching the video up there. You may have put it back on for you. You want to watch Chris's video? Huh? Look at those hazy eyes. Yeah, she's going to shed tonight, more than likely. See the loose scales there. Yeah, she's going to shed for me tonight or either tomorrow. But she doesn't lose interest in anything when she's shedding. You got wrinkles. You need some of that wrinkle remover, girl. She's such a sweet girl. Love her to death. Okay, I'll give you back your video before you get bored and go hide in your hide. I swear my snakes are television addicts. So, Belle's been sitting here watching this movie for 45 minutes.
So what do you think? Is he,
it's called Into the Darkness.
That he's a kid, that he's just
You liking this TV show? This morning you were watching Chris Graham videos, and yesterday. My snakes get on a kick watching certain videos, and they'll just sit there and watch them non-stop. Belle watched Chris Graham's videos on YouTube yesterday. Now she's sitting here watching this movie, Into the Darkness. I finally broke down, took newspapers out, and put some of that coconut fiber. I got a couple of bricks of that. That stuff's real nice, so I put some in. I figured it'd help her get that shed off that's stuck to her a little bit. It's not bad. Plus, I moistened all of the coconut fiber down, so it'll hold moisture in the humidity in the enclosure, so it'll help her get it off better. And she's loving it. She's back in her other hide box, her first one. She loved that hide box. Actually, it's an empty Swiss Colony box. I get a lot of stuff from Swiss Colony. But that's her favorite hide, so I gave her back her favorite hide, and I put her in on this coconut fiber instead of newspapers. So she's happy today. She got all done. And I had Jasmine out this morning, so I gave her a bigger hide and fixed it up nice for her. So she's happy. She's in there on top of her hide, defending it and protecting it. So if you walk over by her cage, she'll strike at you, because she's got to protect her new hide box. Snakes are amazing. You enjoying television? Now you can get that stuck shed off you, that little bit that's still sticking to you. That's a glare of the light on her head. She's not messed up. But she is shedding. So she looks a little lumpy. You watching TV? Yeah, it's a little better. Now you don't look so messed up like that. The light angle has a lot to do with the way you capture videos and pictures of animals. It really does. And she's fine. She's watching television. Y'all better now? Got all freshened up house. Got your old hide box back. And I gave you your brick back. She loves to sit on her brick under the infrared light up there. Well, it's not infrared, but halogen bulb. She's watching TV. You can't distract her for anything if she's watching something.
Sorry.
Is that a good movie, Belle? My snakes love watching videos on YouTube on my computer monitor. Well, it helps I got a big 34-inch gaming monitor, but they love watching videos on YouTube on my computer, and they love watching TV. And people think they're happy just laying around doing nothing in a box. Imagine that. That means you don't have to bother with them. That means you can go back to your business and ignore them. That's why they do that. But you have to respect them. You have to give them their privacy once in a while, because they need it. You can't flood them with affection and always handle them and mess with them, because it will stress them out. But when they want to come out, they'll let you know. You can see it very clearly in their behavior and their body mechanics. But yeah, Bill's watching the movie today.